At McFarland, we do specialise in some rather niche areas of law, and one of those niche areas is accidents involving divers and accidents at sea.
The very nature of being at sea means that you are involved in a lot of manual work. So use of ropes, lifting, and mooring operations by their very nature are dangerous and involve working with a lot of people. And you have or your employer has a duty to ensure that those people, as well as yourself, are adequately trained.
We see a number of amputation injuries as a result of people not handling the ropes correctly, as a result of breakdown of communications.
Piracy is still particularly an issue around Africa, and there has been an increase recently of pirate attacks.
There is a lot of investigation and complexity which goes into finding a way of establishing the jurisdiction of the English courts in order to pursue these claims on behalf of the injured person. You might find that you are trying to pursue a claim for a claimant who is employed by a company who is registered in a different country. The vessel might fly the flag of yet another country, and the safety manager can be in yet another different country.
If you are involved in an accident, give us a ring and you will come through to the relevant department, and we will advise you of the telephone as to whether we think your case is something we can take on.
So in order to pursue a personal injury claim, you have to, within 3 years of the date of your accident, have commenced court proceedings to ensure that your claim is protected by the Limitation Act of 1980. You have 3 years from the date of your accident or the date of knowledge, so the best date is always going to be the date of your accident, and by the 3rd year anniversary, if you haven't issued court proceedings, then the claim becomes statute barred.
If you was to ring and you briefly explained the accident circumstances to us, we would be able to advise you as to whether we feel it's a case that is something that would be successful.
An injured seafarer would always be well advised to seek advice from a solicitor who specialises in advising on these very complex issues of jurisdiction and applicable law.
Not many law firms will deal with shipping law because it is so complex and it's a very niche area, and it's certainly something which we have specialised in for a long time.